I'm Betty. Welcome to my kitchen. Tiny tartlets filled with, a variety of fillings are a wonderful thing to serve as an appetizer. But preparing pastry crusts at the last minute can be a nuisance. This is a lovely shell that you can prepare ahead, and once baked will store in an airtight container for weeks. And here they are. What you need is some very thinly sliced bread, and you want it quite fresh. And what you're going to do is just take a rolling pin and really flatten it. You want to get that as thin as you can. I'm going to use a 2-inch tartlet pan, which I'm just going to butter very lightly. Then I'll cut out my flattened bread using a cutter slightly larger, oops, just get that little corner, than my tart pan. You can see that's just a bit larger. And then we're going to ease this very gently into the tart pan. You don't want to rush it because the bread can tear. And just go around a couple of times, easing it in and pressing against the sides. And give it a good pinch. And once that's done, we'll butter the inside very lightly. And then we're going to bake these in a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until they start to take on some color. You don't want to let them brown because you are going to bake them again once they're filled. And the leftover bread, toss that in your food processor, and you've got breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to add these to the 23 I already have prepared and pop them in the oven to set them. I'll set my timer for 10 minutes to check and see how they're doing. "10 minutes and these are done. I can see that they're crisp and they'll continue to crisp up as they cool. It's all ready to either be filled or stored for a future occasion.